Welcome to Trinity Motorsports, proudly serving Pooler, Georgia with custom truck upgrades done right. At Trinity, we don't just lift trucks, we elevate them. This is a 2023 GMC Denali Ultimate, and it came in looking great, but we had bigger plans. Before we started the install, we laid out every part of the suspension system, precision-built, high-quality components from top to bottom. We installed a massive 9-inch lift from McGaughy's suspension, giving it serious height, presence, and off-road clearance. Then we finished the look with a set of 26 by 14 TIS wheels, wide, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. They're wrapped in 35-inch AMP mud terrain tires, ready to grip while commanding attention anywhere it goes. Now this Denali doesn't just have luxury, it has attitude. Another bold build, done right. Only at Trinity Motorsports in Pooler, Georgia. Let's take your truck to the next level.